What is up YouTube? This is Mayank Sharma from Varchaswa Trading, and in this video we will see what we discussed yesterday, what happened today, and the views for tomorrow. So without any further ado, let's dive deep into it. Pardon me for my voice, I'm not feeling quite well, so I'll just sum it up pretty quickly, right? Yesterday I gave you the level of 16,522. This was the level I gave you, right? Remember yesterday's video I gave you these levels, and my targets for this same were 16,668. Let me just make it 16,660. So that's a pretty round number. See, most people would have given you these levels just seeing this gap border or anything like this, but we particularly give you the level of 16,522. And what do you see? What do you see? The first candle itself opened and sustained above this, and you achieve the target. And what targets would you achieve? You achieve the targets of more than 170 points. 170 points on Nifty, even per lot. Even one lot if you would have taken, right, 170 points would be 8,500. And what was your risk? Maximum risk? Your maximum risk was just somewhere around 35 points, less than less than 1700 something. 1750 was the risk. So this was the risk reward we're able to get here. So let's not go deep into it, and let's say the levels for tomorrow. Just let me delete this, right? These levels are not useful for us anymore. Okay, see, everyone is now bullish in markets. Everyone is now bullish in markets, and I told you in our free Telegram itself that bulls need to be extremely cautious. I am not bullish. I am still looking for selling opportunities, right? So what do I see tomorrow? Let's see the global cues. Global cues suggest a flattish opening, right? So let's discuss this. See, if we get a flattish opening, and markets don't try to break out this area, and markets sustain below this, I will look for a selling opportunities. If we get a flattish opening, I look for selling opportunities. What will my target be? My targets for short side will be 16,588, this candle. And if anytime market starts sustaining below this level, we will see a good fall. And when we see a good fall, what will be our target? We can test the level of 16,370, and let me see my algorithmic levels. Where are my algorithm? Where is my algorithmic pullback? Let me just calculate. 3 ABC something like. So if I just let me just recheck this, and nope, pretty this, right, 16 to 40. So what is the plan? The plan is, if market opening flattish and don't try to break above this area, we'll sell. And what will your targets be? Our targets will be this level of 16,585, 16,500. If market sustain below 16,500, we'll test this level of 16,380 and 16,240 intraday itself. These are my targets for the bearish side. What if market starts going up? See, if markets open flattish and break this area and try to sustain that, even then I will not look for any call positions, because the risk reward on call side will be horrible. The maximum targets I'm seeing on call sides is 16,800 to 16,815. 16,815. This is the maximum targets I'm seeing for call side. So if markets go above there, I will not be looking personally for a call position. And even if I take a call position, I'll take only 20% of my usual quantities. And if the SL is hit, I'll sit out and I'll look for sell on rise, right? So I am not looking for bullish opportunities. My targets for the bullish side, maximum, if you are in any calls, just trail your SL, and if you are lucky enough, you will get the level of 16,800 to 16,815. This is the ultimate target for now. Don't expect anything more than this, right? After this, what is my expectation? I'm sorry, my expectation from here, markets will correct from somewhere till 240 to 200. Let's give this a margin of error. Let's make it 16,200, or rather 16,190, right? So this is the level. Somewhere along this is the level. And no, if for someone wondering, this is not order block or anything like that. So this is my level. If markets come here and sustain this level, they fail to break this level and they sustain above this level, this is where we can again look for buying opportunities for higher targets. And if market starts going up from here, if market starts going up from here, our target will be pretty huge. We can test the levels of 17,000, 17,200 itself. But the condition is market should correct from here, and sustain the level of 16,190. If the same is sustained, then only we'll see the up move, right? And what in case of gap down? In case of gap down, in case of substantial gap down, right? In case of substantial gap down in markets, if markets are able to sustain our, this was the level, right? I told you this was our first target, 815. It's one moment, somewhere along this area, yeah. If markets are able to sustain below this level, if markets are able to sustain below this level, if markets are able to sustain below this level of 16,583, then the view will be same. We look for selling opportunities. What will be our targets? Target will be 16,500, 16,372, and we'll keep trailing. And let's see regarding Bank Nifty now. See, this is indicating a flattish opening, yeah. Bank Nifty seems more bearish than Nifty. Bank Nifty seems more bearish than Nifty. Down, I will not be looking for any buying opportunities, and according to me, I am expecting a down move, but not a sharp down move. The down move will be huge, but it will be range boundish. The option sellers will be able to make good money. Put buyers will be in a problem. Like, not put buyers, option buyers will be in a problem. The market will give you volatile things which can cause your puts to decay. So kindly keep that in consideration. And how many of you remember the banks I have given you? I have given you HDFC Bank, right? I have given you HDFC Bank around this area. Around this area, when markets were, I give you HDFC Bank. And the first target in HDFC Bank is achieved. What was the our target? Let's see what percentage we are able to clock in. We are able to clock in 11%, 11%, right? And the lot 141 points. Let's make it 140. 140 points, 140 points, 140 points, 140 points, and the lot size is 550, right? Lot size is 550, so you can calculate the gains per lot. 150 into 550 is like 77,000 per lot, and this was what we gave you in our free analysis. So make use of this. If you like our efforts, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with all your trading buddies, so they can learn and earn. And this is our free Telegram group where we give you our views in live markets. Like, no one can do this live except us, and that's what we have been doing every day and every night in front of you people. So just, you don't have to lose money just like we did at a time, right? So today we gave look for shorts on Bank Nifty, very small SL, and this was the, give me one moment, this were the results. Bank Nifty gave us a fall of more than 300 points. That's why you always keep a clear view. This was the view I shared with you yesterday. This is what we traded today, right? You always have to keep a bias and stay true to it. Even if your SL hits, make sure your SL is small and your targets are big. If your risk reward is at place, everything will be fine, everything will play out. So don't get scared of stop losses. Stop losses are part of the game, and just try to learn from them, and don't get discouraged. Trading is a very long journey, so depends where you are on your journey. Never get discouraged, we are always here for you. And if you want to learn how to trade like us, and if you want to trade in live market live with us, so we provide a mentorship program. We take in a limited number of students, so that's something we're interested in. Do ping us, and we will give you discounts and benefits. So don't worry about it, just to ping us. And if you have any other problem in your trading or anything which is, holding you back, just let us know, and we'll try to provide you solutions. I hope you have had a very good day. I wish you a very good night, and I'll see you tomorrow in the live markets. Good night, people. Thank you very much.